Daddy.
And
Kittens.
What's the best place?
Yeah.
Very good, yes.
What's Daddy ball?
Yes, it's bow. What is it? Yes, this sport is the archery. Do you know the name of this sport?
Football.
Football? Oh, yeah. What is it?
Baseball.
Baseball.
What?
Choo! How we call this sport?
Tennis. Cue ball. Cue ball.
What is it?
Roller skating.
Roller skating, yes. Wow, so good roller skating. Wow. What is it?
Racing.
Yes, car racing. Let's have a look. How fast is it? Huh? And this sport, do you know the name?
Breaky.
Yes, it's cycling. Hello! Today we'll make a crossbow. To make crossbow, you need double-sided tape. You need sticky tape. You need scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use the scissors if your parents not around. You need 2 clothes pegs. You need stick. You need cotton swabs. You need elastic rubber band. And you need clay. What color is it?
Brown.
Yes, this clay is brown. Are you ready? Go!
Put on your head.
What apple? Okay.
Don't Move, Daddy.
Okay, I don't move.
Yeah! Sponsored by IQ English.